Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to gain insights into dependencies in a graph and effectively navigate it using the sidebar. To begin, I've utilized the assistance of ChatGPT to create a sample dependency graph for demonstration purposes. I copy the results and pasted them into the bulk add relations box. Now, let's select a horizontal layout for better visualization of the dependencies. The next step is to request descriptions for each task using the following prompt. And paste the generated prompt on ChatGPT. Please note that the initial results may be incomplete, so I'll ask for additional information. As you can see, the output is currently presented as an enumerated list instead of a table. To address this, you have two options. You can either ask ChatGPT to format it as a table, or you can use the colon separator in term board. For this example, I'll go with the latter option. You might notice a warning indicating duplicate terms. This is expected since I want to add descriptions to tasks which are already in the graph. To update the descriptions of the tasks, I'll select the first option to proceed. I'll repeat the same process for the second part of the list. Please be aware that some new terms may be generated during this step. In this example, I'll delete these additional terms as they are not part of the dependency graph. If you prefer to view the definitions upon hovering over the terms, you can enable this feature in the View menu. Finally, I'll quickly save the progress so that I can continue working on it at a later time. Now, let's load the graph again. As you can see, I've made some changes to the colors of the boxes. You also have the option to automatically color the boxes based on the number of relations. To do this, simply select the option in the Settings menu. Here, you'll find three choices for coloring the boxes, based on the total relations, incoming relations only, or outgoing relations only. These options are also usable for adjusting the size of the boxes. Feel free to use any combination that suits your needs. It's worth noting that your settings are saved, so even if you reload the page, you'll still have the same settings in place. If you'd like to highlight either the incoming or outgoing boxes, you can do so using the Context menu. There are several options available to you. For instance, if you select Incoming Recursive, you'll be able to see all preceding tasks in this dependency graph. To remove the highlighting, simply press the Escape key. Alternatively, instead of highlighting, you can use the Select option, allowing you to format those boxes as desired. Let's now explore the sidebar functionality. Begin by clicking on one of the boxes in the graph. Then, navigate to the sidebar and click on the Relations tab. Here, you will find an overview of the tasks that are related to the task you selected. Take note of the displayed information, which indicates that the selected task has one outgoing relation and two incoming relations. By hovering over any of the tasks, you can view their descriptions. If you click on a task, you will be instantly redirected to that specific task within the graph. Similarly, clicking on a relation allows you to navigate to it, enabling you to make changes such as modifying its name. In the event that you discover a missing relation, you can conveniently add it directly from the sidebar. Simply press the button. This action prompts you to specify whether it is an incoming or outgoing relation. Additionally, you can provide a name for the relation and search for the corresponding task to establish the connection. This intuitive sidebar feature enhances your ability to manage and expand the relationships within the graph. Take advantage of its various functionalities to effortlessly navigate, explore, and modify the dependencies. If you have any further questions, please react in the comments.